Do you want to be unshakable in any situation? Ever wondered how Ayanokoji from Classroom of the Elite stays calm and composed, no matter what chaos is happening around him? In this video, we'll dive deep into how Ayanokoji masters emotional control and how you can develop the same ability to stay calm and calculated, no matter what life throws your way. If you're tired of feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or reactive, stick around. I'm going to show you the strategies that Ayanokoji uses to maintain his unbreakable calm. Let's get started. First lesson we learn from Ayanokoji is emotional detachment. Ayanokoji has mastered the art of separating his emotions from the events around him. He doesn't let his feelings cloud his judgment. This is crucial because, in stressful situations, our emotions often take over, leading us to react impulsively instead of rationally. To apply this in your life, you need to learn how to step back mentally before responding to emotional triggers. When you feel a wave of anger, anxiety, or frustration, instead of reacting right away, take a mental step back. Ayanokoji does this all the time. He pauses, observes, and calculates the best move without letting emotions rush in. Start practicing emotional detachment by using this technique. Label your emotions. When you're stressed or angry, pause and name the emotion. I'm feeling frustrated, or I'm anxious. This simple act creates a mental gap between you and the emotion, giving you control over how to respond rather than letting the emotion control you. Practice box breathing for instant calm. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to calm yourself in any situation is controlled breathing. Ayanokoji may not openly show us his techniques, but if you observe, his calm exterior can often be linked to steady breathing. Controlled breathing directly impacts your nervous system, helping you stay composed. The technique is simple: deep, slow breaths in and slow breaths out. When you slow your breathing, you send signals to your brain to relax. This method keeps you from reacting impulsively and helps you think more clearly. It's scientifically proven to reduce stress and anxiety in high-pressure situations. Here's how you can practice this. The next time you feel overwhelmed or anxious, inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for a count of 4. This technique, called box breathing, will instantly bring your stress levels down and give you that calm, Ayanokoji-like control. Ayanokoji always approaches situations with a mindset of emotional neutrality. This doesn't mean he's emotionless. He simply doesn't allow emotions to dictate his decisions. Emotional neutrality means you're neither overly positive nor overly negative. You stay balanced. When you adopt this mindset, you're less likely to get thrown off by surprises or conflicts. Ayanokoji doesn't get excited by victories or frustrated by setbacks. He stays on an even keel. You can develop emotional neutrality by training yourself to see events objectively rather than through an emotional lens. One way to do this is by asking yourself, what's the bigger picture here? In a stressful moment, zoom out and look at the situation from a third-person perspective. This helps you to react logically rather than emotionally. Ayanokoji is a master of non-reaction. He knows that reacting impulsively often plays into the hands of manipulators or escalates a bad situation. One of his key strategies is simply not reacting, giving nothing away. This is powerful because it leaves others guessing and keeps you in control. When you refuse to react to provocations, insults, or stress, you're not only protecting your peace, but also keeping others from manipulating your emotions. Here's how you can do this. The next time someone tries to provoke you, don't engage. Pause, observe their behavior, and decide if responding is even necessary. Most of the time, people want a reaction out of you. By staying calm, you maintain the upper hand. When faced with high-pressure situations, Ayanokoji doesn't react emotionally. He thinks tactically. His ability to stay calm allows him to see multiple steps ahead and make calculated decisions, rather than being caught up in the heat of the moment. In stressful situations, most people focus on what's immediately happening. Ayanokoji teaches us to zoom out and look at the bigger picture. He's always thinking strategically, not just about the next move but the one after that. To adopt this mindset, when you're in a stressful situation, ask yourself, what's the long game? What do I want to happen in the end? And how can I make that happen without letting emotions guide me? Tactical thinking requires calmness, so combine it with the emotional detachment techniques we've discussed. Ayanokoji's most powerful tools is silence. In a world where everyone feels the need to react or speak up, silence is a weapon. It forces others to fill the gap, often revealing more than they intend. Silence allows Ayanokoji to gather information without giving anything away himself. In situations where you're pressured to respond, silence gives you time to think, observe, and control the conversation. It's a powerful psychological tool. While others become uncomfortable, you remain calm and in control. Try this in your own life. The next time you're in a high-pressure situation, instead of reacting immediately, stay silent for a few seconds. Let the silence do the work. It buys you time and shifts the power dynamic in your favor. Use emotional control isn't just about what's happening in your mind. It's also about how you present yourself physically. Ayanokoji shows us that calmness can be communicated through subtle physical cues. His body language is always relaxed, his gaze steady, and his movements deliberate. Your body follows your mind, but the reverse is also true. Your mind follows your body. If you're physically tense, your mind will feel tense. To maintain internal calm, start with your body. Relax your shoulders, unclench your fists, and keep your posture open. When you consciously relax your body in stressful situations, your mind follows suit. It's a feedback loop that helps maintain emotional control. Ayanokoji's emotional control isn't something that just happens in the moment. It's something he refines through constant self-reflection. After every situation, he reflects on what went well, what didn't, and how he can improve. The same applies to emotional control. If you find yourself losing your cool in a situation, don't beat yourself up. Instead, reflect on it. What triggered you? How could you have handled it better? Emotional control is a skill, and like any skill, it gets stronger with practice and reflection. Make it a habit to regularly reflect on your emotional responses to situations. This will help you fine-tune your control over time, just like Ayanokoji. Ayanokoji remains calm because he knows that unpredictability is key. By staying emotionally unreactive and unpredictable, he keeps others from controlling or manipulating him. People can't figure him out, and that gives him power. You can apply this by being mindful of how you react to others. If people always know what to expect from you, they can easily manipulate or provoke you. But if you remain calm and unpredictable, you become harder to read, and thus harder to control. Being unpredictable is about not letting others know what's going on inside your head. Stay composed, and don't give away too much. This gives you the advantage. Mastering emotional control like Ayanokoji is a powerful skill. By using these techniques, emotional detachment, controlled breathing, non-reaction, tactical thinking, and more, you can stay calm in any situation and always be in control. The more you practice these, the more unshakable you become. Remember, staying calm isn't about not feeling emotions, but about controlling how you respond to them. Be elite, stay elite.